So how do you know if you need a therapist? Well, really, I think a therapist should be a part of everyone's life because I think that therapy is something that can enrich us. It can give us an opportunity for self reflection and for growth and really be a mirror into our lives. But beyond that, when we're talking, beyond just self development, when is it really crucial that you have a therapist? I think when we are going through something in life, a precipitating event, any type of distress, it could be work related, it could be something in our family with relationships, it just could be something that's going on within us. I think instead of trying to battle it out alone and overburdening a lot of our family and friends that are great but can't always give us the time that we need and may not always give an objective opinion, I think that additional support is really important because a lot of times depression and anxiety end up developing when we're going through something in our life that's tough and we don't lean on somebody else and we keep it inside and we don't get the help that we need. And so by getting a therapist, by getting that additional support, the minute that you notice that you're extremely stressed out, there has to be a place for you to speak about that. Another area where I think it's really important that you need therapy is if you've gone through a traumatic event or if you've had things happen in your childhood or had things happen recently. I think it's very, very important to, be in therapy and process some of those emotions and some of the stuff that's happened to you so that later on it does not develop into other ailments, more serious depression and more serious anxiety. So I think there's so many different uses for therapy, all the way from self-development and self-help and just kind of enriching your life and growing as a person to the more severe cases where, something has happened, a past trauma, a current stress, current situation where we can utilize therapy for our benefit.